Welcome to St. Martin! Woohoo! Finally, my first international trip of the year. It's long overdue. I feel like so much has been going on. I needed this trip for sure. So welcome to St. Martin, the French side. My hotel, the property is really beautiful, so I'm happy about that. Even the room, like the artwork, I just love this artwork. So cute. Don't forget to watch the Book a Trip with Me where I talk about how I planned this whole trip and the things I booked. I took a taxi here and it was only a 15-minute drive. Tell me why I Googled like the power source in St. Martin to see if I need to bring my travel adapter. Googled it and it said it's fine, you could use your regular thing, you don't need a converter. Do you see that? I can't believe it. When I Googled it, I guess it only told me for the Dutch side and not the French side. So I don't have a converter. I need to buy one. If you come, bring your converter for the French side because you definitely need it. Okay, first meal of the trip. And this is a tea punch, which everybody says it's very strong. So I'm gonna wait until I eat, until I have it. But I got some my fish, veggies, rice. It's very good. Okay, so it's many hours later. It's like 9 p.m. right now. I'm not feeling 100%, but I have tickets for this fete. It's called Bacchanal Sunday. Like Bungee Garland's performing, Lyrical, a bunch of other artists. Good morning! It's Monday and I have my bathing suit underneath because it's beach day. Not happy that I have to rent a car, but it's whatever. Well, I'm in the rental car. I got scared for a second. I thought it was a manual car. I still never finished learning how to drive manual. So not even an hour with the car, and I had to cancel it, return it, because I went down the road looking for food, and then I stopped at one place, got some stuff, and was about to, make my way to the beach, only to realize I had zero service. Like, no service at all. And I was just like, what? They let me cancel it, thankfully. But yeah, now I'm gonna have to pay crazy amounts of money just to get to the beaches by taxi. So my hotel did call a taxi for me, and the woman that picked me up, she gave me the number to the taxi association so I could call them when I wanted to go to the next beach. Welcome to Friars Bay Beach. I don't even know if you could hear me now because it's like a school of kids came and I think they're getting like swimming lessons. So it's really loud now. I'm just trying to decide which beach I want to go to next. Yeah, I'll see you at the next beach.
This is what you call Caribbean music, compact.
Yeah. So when I called the taxi association number, I got my driver Ludovic, and he ended up being the driver for the rest of my trip. I will put his contact information in the description box. But when I asked him which beach, he actually suggested this next place. On the Pinel Island?
Yes. We're going to Pinel Island with sweet brown sugar. Step on the seat.
How long is the ride?
The ride is only 5 minutes.
Oh, wow.
St. Martin is a friendly island.
So far, I can tell.
You're in the right place at the right time.
Okay. We have arrived Pinel Island. It is pretty. Ooh, the sand is nicer here. Okay, so I'm on Pinel Island, but pina colada and fried calamari. It looks interesting. This is not the fried calamari I was expecting. Iguana Island in Turks and Caicos. That's what this kind of reminds me of a little bit. They were telling me there's like a wild side of the beach. We can kind of walk around, and I'm assuming there's probably more iguanas on that side. Okay, but this one is a little bit colder. Oh, I was worried about leaving my stuff like on the beach and being in the water for this trip, but so far the two beaches I've been to, it's been fine. I'm not saying like I'm not watching my stuff. It's been okay to leave on the beach chair. Afterwards, he suggested that we could go pick up some Haitian food, so we went to 123 restaurant, and I liked this food. Got my Haitian food, and I am back at my hotel. Honestly, I just ate my food on the beach and took in the views and had a good night. There weren't any events going on that night, and then I had to leave my hotel the next day, so I went back to my room and I packed my bag, and it was just a calm night. Good morning. It's Tuesday. I'm gonna quickly run over to breakfast. I'm also checking out of Homage Hotel today. I'm also going to show you around the hotel property because I haven't done that yet. So let's check it out. This was the restaurant area for the hotel. Honestly, at times I felt like I was the only one there. It was honestly a cool feeling. It's like just relaxing and had time to myself. Breakfast time. It's just like breakfast with the view. Continuing the property tour. Oh, I forgot there was a pool. I didn't even see this. Oh, this is really nice. Wow. So I'm at, I think it's called Rainforest Adventures. This is on the Dutch side. And we're going to do a few different things. I'm really excited. First stop is the museum. I don't know what this is. Now you probably have an idea what I'm doing. This is a hotel. I was over here yesterday and here. Right now we're here. Salt mining. This is like a really big property. Oh Lord. Okay, we're doing this. I'm on a chairlift. Yeah, this is going pretty high. I'm a little nervous. I don't know why, like, to me, this feels less safe than a zip line. I don't know, it's the fact that, like, we're not really strapped in. Like, all there is that bar. Okay, update. Just did the zip line. It was maybe, like, between 4 to 6 lines. It was definitely calm because it wasn't too high. The last one was the fastest one, which was cool. So I'm back on this thing. I'm gonna try to show you some views. Ooh. But next is the Flying Dutchman. Look at the views. Oh my god, that's the flying Dutchman. Like, what do I get myself into? Oh my god, look how steep that is. Oh lord. I can't believe this. I can't. Oh my god. Okay, so how fast does this go?
It goes about, the highest you clock in is about 55.
55.
And then when you're getting close to the bottom and the brakes start to engage, you're coming at about 20.
20.
Yeah.
And what record does this hold? Isn't it like the
steepest?
The steepest
zip line in the world.
In the world. Oh
yes.
god.
Steepest zip line in the world.
Steepest zip line in the world. Okay, so that's the sign. And if you look all the way in the background, if you can see, it's kind of cloudy, but over there, you see another island. This is the local rum on the Dutch side.
A little bit of what's it called? I can answer in English.
What's that in there? Oh, it has. Wait, there. Wow.
That sentence in as many different languages as possible. How long to get down?
Super useful for
So I've heard that question in like 50 different languages. Oh, you like?
Oh yeah. I'll do a rum punch with it. Yeah, thank you.
With this one, right?
Yeah, this one.
No.
Okay. Let me catch my breath. So I broke my nail within like the first 2 seconds. I gripped onto the thing so tight I broke my nail. But I will say the first like 10 seconds were OD. I had my eyes closed. And then after that I was able to open them and it was much better. It was enjoyable. But then like at one point my mouth was like open. I couldn't close it. And it's like spit was flying everywhere. It was a thrill. I really can say I accomplished the steepest zip line in the world. One of the workers here was like telling me more information about Juve, and then also there's Creole Fest or like Zouk night tonight. So that's at the Carnival Village. It's a part of like the Dutch side carnival events. I picked up my luggage and I just came straight to this Airbnb. So we are here. So I'm gonna do a quick room tour. Oh my god, not live chicken and animals. What is that? Okay, see, so the Dutch side has the regular outlets. The French side uses the European outlets. It's like 5:30. I think it's about to rain, honestly, but this is Maho Beach. This is the beach that the planes fly like really low over you. That's the airport right there. Yeah, this beach is actually really nice. I didn't think it was going to be this nice. The sand is super soft. The water looks beautiful. I got this big waterproof pouch. I got this from Amazon. I'm gonna link it down below and in my storefront as well. But cute pink bathing suit. Oh my god, it's like really raining. But let's go in the water quickly. Oh, and it's cold. It's cold. Ooh. God damn. I don't know if this is safe. Yeah. Oh, is that like the day trip? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is it. All right, y'all. I'm not taking a picture, but if you can see, the plane is coming in right here. Ah! Wow! Hey! Woohoo! That was cool. So if you don't care about getting the photo op, I say come when it's like calm. Probably like after 5 p.m. You can come and really just enjoy the beach, have clear sand. Y'all, you see it's dark now? We're literally the last two on the beach. Look at this. Come here at night. So next up is the Creole Fête Tout de Blanc, and this is at the Carnival Village, and this is another Dutch side carnival event. It's super loud, but I've been here since 10 p.m. I'm still waiting for Oswald and Taboo Combo to come out. But yeah, it's cool. I've been drinking. Like, the whole vibe is cool. I haven't filmed too much yet, but when I get closer to the stage, I'm gonna film more. But yeah, the Carnival Village is nice.
Pour tout ça n'a fait aujourd'hui, et ça nous pas le faire demain, et après demain, positivité dans la vie nous.
He found me. Take your drink. Okay. I just got back. Tonight was really fun though. Good morning, it's Wednesday. Oh, my taxi here. Okay. Just got breakfast. It's boat day. Okay, first stop, Mullet Bay Beach. Oh, feels good.
Uh-huh. No. Yes.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I don't think I can do this.
You got it, you got it.
Woo! Nice! Woo! Nice! There you go! Yeah!
So I still don't eat meat, so I got cheese and hummus. Everybody else got chicken. This is lunch. So if you watched the Book a Trip with me, you knew that I booked this boat ride specifically because of this Tarzan swing. It looks so much fun, and I'm so glad I did the regular jump before attempting this.
Good job, Maarten!
Okay, so I already went snorkeling. But it was like pretty far swim out, so I didn't take my GoPro with me, but I'm about to just swim around here with it. You can see the water. It's really cool. I saw a shopping cart, a submarine, and a helicopter, and then there was like a good amount of fish. Boat ride is over. It was from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. So it was a good amount of time. It's not like the turn up rides that I'm used to, but I will say like they really took care of everyone. It was a very nice boat. The snorkeling was nice. It was very calm, but it was nice. So I would recommend if you're just looking for a nice snorkeling trip, some jumping off the boat with the Tarzan swings, all of that. Hi, it is many hours later. I've honestly just been relaxing because Juve is still happening. Depending on what you want to do on the island is really important to where you stay. Either pre-plan your driver for the whole trip or rent a car. If you're going to rent a car, make sure you have reliable service. Good morning, it's Thursday, Juve morning. It's like 4:30 right now. My ride's about to be here and we're gonna head over to Juve. This is the fit. I don't know if you can see it. So I already did an entire video dedicated to Juve, so go check that video out. Thanks for the support on it so far, but we're just gonna do a quick recap in this video.
Don't tell me what to do. Can we walk? Can we walk? It don't matter if you're big, fat or small. Can we walk? Can we walk? But this is sticky bag, we lick 'em off the wall. Jam in the road, jam in the road, jam in the road.
Just getting back to the car now. It's 9:37. Juve's still going on. I think they're about to hit Festival Village. But it's time for me to catch a flight. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you at my next video.